This is lesson 2-2a, evaluate a polynomial function using synthetic substitution. All right, I've got two examples. First example, f of x equals 5x cubed plus 3x squared minus x plus 7. Find what f of negative 2 is. Okay, we could do it by direct substitution, but we're going to learn a new technique, synthetic substitution. It's very important that you have every term possible. So I've got my x cubed, my x squared, my x to the 1, and my x to the 0. X to the 0 is 1, 1 times 7 is 7. So I've got all my terms, so what I do now is I just simply write down the coefficients. Again, if there's no coefficient, you could put a 1. So I've got 5, 3, negative 1, 7, and then I just draw little bars like that. Okay, I'm evaluating it for negative 2. I put that on the outside, and here's the procedure. Drop this number down, multiply. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Add, negative 7. Multiply, 14. Add, 13. Multiply, negative 26. Add, negative 19. Your final entry is the answer. So f of negative 2 equals 19. I'll explain in class why this works, but for right now we'll just go through the procedure. Okay, one more example. F of x equals 3x to the 4th minus 24x squared plus 48. Find f of 2. Notice that we're missing some terms, so my first step is going to be to put some placeholder terms in. I call them ox terms. You'll see why shortly. So I'm going to write this as 3x to the 4th plus 0x cubed minus 24x squared plus 0x plus 48. Again, I call them ox terms because it's like the 0x. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I've got all my terms. Write down the coefficients. 3, 0, minus 24, 0, 48. Evaluating it for f of 2. And I'm going to go through the same exact procedure. Drop it down. Multiply. Add. Multiply. Add. Multiply. Add. Multiply. And add. Very exciting, I got a 0. This will be used in a future lesson when we're talking about zeros and factoring. So again, keep in mind this will be very important in the future. So for right now, f of 2 equals 0 for the evaluation of this polynomial. So there you have it, how to evaluate polynomial functions using synthetic substitution.